Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Digicel has been forced to sweeten its offer to bondholders as it seeks to postpone repayment of $3 billion in debt. In total, Digicel has $6.7 billion worth of debt. Digicel owner Dennis O'Brien is now offering a higher ranking for the remaining debt, placing the notes above the bonds that are not being exchanged. The later dated debt will be given a higher return with a 2% uplift over the original offer. In August, Mr. O'Brien said he was looking for investors holding $2 billion worth of bonds due in 2020 to swap their notes for similar securities that would be due 2 years later. The group also wants holders of $1 billion worth of debt that matures in 2022 to exchange their bonds for new 2024 notes. The new offer will see holders of 2020 debt potentially swapping their bonds for senior secured debt with around $580 million out of the $2 billion available. Digicel extended the deadline for the fifth time in just over 2 months in November as it continued talks with bondholders' representatives on the matter. The extension was for 1 week to December 7. The Economic Program Oversight Committee, EPOC, is warning the government that public sector reforms must be viewed as a priority. This follows the committee's latest review of Jamaica's performance under the International Monetary Fund IMF precautionary standby arrangement. Co-chair of the committee, Keith Duncan, says the IMF is making it abundantly clear that public sector reforms should be a high priority, which will create fiscal space. He says that is why there has been no new structural benchmarks following the fourth review. Currency trading ended today with the US dollar selling for $127.90. The Canadian dollar closed at $95.87. The pound is going for $163.41, while the euro is being sold for $149.91 on average. Oil prices traded lower today. Oil for delivery in January went down by 49 cents to settle at $52.59 a barrel. The JSE index gained 106 points today, while the junior market index is up by 19 points. Stocks posting gains include 1834 Investments, Berger Paints, Cargo Handlers, Dolphin Cove, Grace Kennedy, Jamaica Stock Exchange, Key Insurance, and Kingston Wharves. Now, on the losing side were Barita Investments, Carib Cement, Elite Diagnostic, G West Corporation, Indies Pharma, Jamaica Broilers, Lasco Distributors, and Main Event Entertainment Group. And that's the Business Day. I'm Herman Green. Good evening.